Calling someone a bird brain may not be the joke you thought it was. A new study shows that as measured by the total number of neurons in the forebrain, some birds are much smarter than we thought. The study published online today in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that 28 bird species have more neurons in their paleotelencephalon, that's the brain region responsible for higher learning, than mammals with similarly sized brains. Parrots and songbirds in particular are packed with neurons, with parrots having between 227 million and 3.14 billion neurons, and songbirds, including the notoriously intelligent crow, having between 136 million and 2.17 billion neurons. That's about twice as many neurons as primates with brains of the same size, and 4 times as many as rodents with brains of the same size. For the count, the researchers dissected the bird brains and then dissolved them in a detergent solution to ensure the cells were suspended in what neuroscientist Susanna Bercaglio-Hosel of Vanderbilt University in Nashville calls brain soup. That way, they could label, count, and estimate how many neurons were in a particular brain region. The region they focused on allows some birds to improve skills such as using tools, planning, learning bird songs, and mimicking human speech. One surprising finding was that the neurons were much smaller than expected, with shorter and more compact connections between cells. The team's next step is to investigate whether these neurons were small to begin with or instead shrank to keep the birds light enough for flight. In any case, one thing is clear. It's time to find a new insult for your less clever friends.